What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So in today's video, we're going to be making a machine gun briefcase. So if you've watched the movie Kingsman, you'll know what I'm talking about. It looks something like this. It's a briefcase with a machine gun. This right here is not a real one. It is an airsoft or a BB gun. But this is what we're going to put inside. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I got the box almost done. The gun does fit in there, and the reason it needs to be such a big box for that little BB gun is because when you take this cartridge out, it touches the bottom and it's just enough to get it out. So if this box was shorter, you wouldn't be able to get the magazine out. So we're gonna go ahead, make the handle, put the door on, and secure this BB gun. All right, here we go. It's sticking out just a little bit there. We got all the wood braces in, so now it's not going to move. And we can still release the magazine. Touches the bottom, just enough to get out. So now we're going to work out a mechanism to pull the trigger and then also mount a handle on top. Alright, we got the handle. The BB gun's safely mounted in there. There's the end, we'll color that in. That was the only hinge I had. We made it close this way and then just a piece of wire to wrap around here. All right, so I figured out a mechanism for what we're gonna use for the trigger. Instead of making a whole frame which goes around here and has a solid piece which pulls onto the trigger, we're gonna get some fishing line and we're gonna tie it around here, have it come underneath, around the trigger, and then it's just gonna go around a series of screws up through the top. And then we're gonna get one of these rings and you'll just put that onto your finger and then just lift your finger up and then it will pull the trigger. So we'll get that rigged up and then we'll test it out. Here's the ring, and now we're gonna set the string onto this. Oh shoot, is it gonna fit? There we go. Now this ring is tight up against the box, and put your finger in there, and when you pull on that, there we go. That took me about 3 minutes to get all that in there. Almost. And then this just goes in like that. Click. There's semi-automatic or full. We'll leave it on semi. Safety is down there. That's safety on, safety off. Before you guys see it, we're just gonna put a little bit of decoration. Say hello to my little friend. Well, that concludes the video for the machine gun briefcase. If you enjoyed this, make sure to let me know in the comments and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Say hello to my little friend.